Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Putu Raditya Satriawan with the student number of 23151011005. And in this video, I will explain a little bit about the application programming interface or API, the usage of API in a certain study cases, which is here. I use my midterm exam code to apply the API usage that can be tested by using the Postman application. So we can see here in the roots API.php, I already set up several API, but first, this API needs to be get the token by the login system, and because my login is admin.com, we need to get or retrieve the token for the login by the admin. So here you can see the server is already running and the XMPP already running also. And here I can just send the API to get or to retrieve the token for the further authorization. Yep, as you can see here, the token is already generated with the barrier of 2, and here is the token. And here you can just copy the token, and we can get the method get from the API item, which can be set up we can set up the key here, the token, and then use 2, and then we can get all of the item. Don't forget to save it and send the API. Yep, it's 200 okay. And we can see all the items here under the child items. And we can also post to the API items. We can post, for example, here, maybe let's just say BRG 11, which is the mouse, and the quantity is equals headers. You can set also sorry, you can set also to and the same token. Here I use the previous testing token, so yeah, let's just resend it again, and we can see it's created 201. And because it's already created one, we need to get the item again to retrieve the ID, so we can use the delete function later. Um, you can see here the BRG11 mouse, general mouse, basic mouse. The ID is 8, and we can delete using the items 8, ID items 8, and the API is the same, localhost API items 8, and we can delete the item and just send the API, and the message is item is successfully deleted. And if we get the items again, here you can see the ID 8 is no longer available. So yeah, and the code is just simple, just to set up the API, and then because I use the authorization for login, I use the Sanctum, and then here is the item controller, just the basic function to store, to get, and also show, and also destroy. So yeah, that's all from me. Thank you.